Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Tries Returning Item at Walmart, Ends Badly. It's always Walmart when you got the, you know what I'm saying, the thefts and everything, man. That's why, listen, I try to stay out of Walmart as much as possible. Let's get into the video, man.
Here's what happens when you cause a scene in Walmart after they refuse to accept your return.
Deal. Okay, so what's the issue? She called you. Well, you guys call first. Stretching?
Are you arresting me?
No. But you called us.
Bravo uniform 8.
Sit.
1 Yankee Victor.
Here we go. This is gonna go south already. You arresting me? You arresting me? Like, come on, man.
Gonna be eastbound Okie at Jog on a red Eastbound Okie.
I'm deaf. I can't hear you.
No respect.
4 from the noise and over there.
I can't hear you.
Were you guys able to communicate with her? That's like what she's acting right now. That's what she's trying to. I try to help her, but she just acting cursing out there. So she probably hear try to help. Did you talk to her at all? Did she talk to you at all? What did she say?
Come on.
Can you
I'm
understand?
getting arrested or what?
You want to walk to the front with me? We can talk on
I
the phone?
can't hear you. I am deaf.
242.
I'll write it down.
Yeah, I don't know.
26.
Yeah. You guys want her trespass?
Yeah, it is.
All right.
372, final Cindy, just west of Vista.
What are you doing?
This is her. She brought this in.
This is comical. Okay. Have fun with your dates.
27.
You sit the f down. Let's go. What are we doing?
Apparently the dog's not deaf. What's she trying to return?
Ma'am,
said she bought it
you hear
earlier
that? Are you gonna leave?
I paid for that
You're
though.
right. Okay.
Let's go.
So take it with you.
I'm trespassed.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So leave.
Leave.
Take your
Anale no.
What?
Anale.
You're deaf. I don't speak
You don't
Creole.
understand what I'm saying?
No.
I said sit.
Come on, you guys can't seriously believe that she's deaf. First of all, deaf people, their speech is off. You know what I mean? Because they don't actually, how can I say it? Like develop everything like a regular, like me and you. You know what I mean? Like, so their speech is a little bit off, and this lady is talking completely normal. She got AirPods in her ears. She probably listening to music or something because she's sitting here dancing, trying to twerk on the cop and all types of craziness.
Here, ma'am. Here you go. Here, ma'am.
Take your item and leave.
Yep.
Yeah.
I paid for it.
So take
So
it.
take it
Nah.
and leave.
Take me out of here.
Why?
You gonna take me out of here or what?
No, I don't want to.
You want her trespass?
Leave?
Can you just tell her in our presence that she's
She's definitely on drugs though.
You are
for
I
sure.
paid for this item earlier today and I'm not leaving until I get a
They're
replacement.
not going to refund it.
All right, let's take me out.
Do you have a receipt?
Sounds
Let's
like
go.
Stop.
Take me out.
You're not touching me.
Take me out. Take me out.
You want to go to jail?
Take me out. Take me out, officer, deputy, sheriff. Take me out.
Ma'am, if you don't leave, you're going to go to jail. If you don't leave, you're going to go to jail. And the dog's going to go to the ACC.
Excuse me?
If you don't leave,
My dog's on a leash.
yeah, but your dog, when you go to jail, your dog's going to go to the ACC.
Let's go to jail, please. I love it.
Are you refusing to leave? Ma'am? Here.
Oh my God.
Do you have your name and date of birth, or if LP wants to
I
do
love jail. I go all the time.
Can you just tell her that if she doesn't leave, you want her trespass, she needs to leave, and if not, I'll take her to jail.
Oh no.
Alright, so you
I'll
want to
take
allow
it.
back here for 1 year, or after you do come back here for 1 year?
We see you in here, we're gonna call them, they're gonna come here.
All right, ma'am. So you're officially trespassed.
They're trespass.
I'm trespassed? You work here? You don't look like you work here. Well, I'm trespassed. Let's go.
Are you
Why are you not handcuffing me
Are
if
you
I'm
refusing
trespassed?
to leave?
I'm wanting to go in cuffs. Thank you.
That's how you know she full of it. I thought she was deaf. Now she all of a sudden she heard the direction from the guy saying that she's trespassed. Full of crap, man. Take her ass to jail.
This is what y'all wanted.
Not what you wanted. Yeah.
Are they able to come off?
I love
Take
jail.
one of the cuffs off.
And where's my item that I paid for?
I got some. You let go of the dog.
My attorney's gonna love this.
Ma'am, you had an ample opportunity to leave.
Literally. Let's fix that. Take the dog.
Can you just get his 14? I'll write it out. It's my pleasure to take this case. No, seriously.
That's Chris Charles. Don't.
I really want to take this case. Yeah, we'll take it with her for her stuff.
That's my shit. And that's my shit.
Okay.
This is your shit.
What's up, Bubba?
You're the proud owner of this shit.
True Rebel, no.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, wait.
Black female, 1015.
Did you get my black item? The phone thing? Okay, great.
In all seriousness,
Slow down. You're right. It looks better if I slow down.
whoa. You need to stand up and walk, man.
3 Bravo, small temperature.
Can you walk?
Careful, you can't send the other unit.
Hold both her arms if you want.
I love problems. I love chaos.
So much problems, always.
So much problems always.
Stand up. Come on. Stand up and walk. There you go. Look at that.
You're hurting me.
Ma'am, stand up and walk. Jess, you want to take the dog? I'll pick her up. Here, Eric, I'll pick her up. Ma'am, you need to stand up. Ready? You put her in my car, it's fine. You have any property on you? No. Have a seat. All right, Miss Wendy, can you step out so I can put your hands behind your back for you? Thank you. Awesome. Thank you very much. All right, ma'am. You have a seat back in the patrol vehicle. We will get you to jail.
Great.
Alrighty, I'm gonna buckle you up, okay? Can you lean back for me as best as you can?
I'm in pain.
You're in pain?
I am.
You don't want to lean back?
No.
Alright, well, I'm gonna reach around you then. Alrighty. Your seatbelt's on, you're secured. Thanks, bub.
The suspect was charged with trespassing, obstructing an officer without violence, and battery on a specified personnel.
What a joke, man. This is all unnecessary.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.